Hey everybody, welcome back to Camp-in-a-Box. Today we're going to make our own UFO. For this activity, you're going to need some paints and glitter, some miscellaneous craft supplies like beads, some foam, and a pom-pom. You're also going to need 2 paper plates, something to apply color with like markers, a pair of scissors, and some sheets of construction paper. You're also going to need a strong glue, like super glue or hot glue. Go ahead and get started by painting the backs of your paper plates gray. If you're working in a garage or outside like I am, it can take a while for this paint to dry, so go ahead and get this out of the way first. While your plates are drying, let's go ahead and work on other aspects of our project. Go ahead and grab that little square of foam and draw a pair of feet on it. Go ahead and cut out these feet and grab your strong glue so you can attach the feet to the bottom of your pom-pom. While that glue is already out, go ahead and glue on the 2 googly eyes that you should get in your kit. Now you can set your new alien friend off to the side in a little plastic cup that you'll get in your kit so he can watch you complete the rest of his UFO. Now you can use the remaining craft supplies in your kit and whatever you have around the house to decorate your UFO. Now this can be as complicated or as simple as you want it to be. I decided just to add a little bit of green in the cockpit covering as well as the windows, and I also added some fireballs on the bottom of my UFO to make it look like it's flying. If you add windows to your UFO similar to how I'm doing, you can always draw things inside the windows to make it look like you can actually look into the UFO. I drew a couple little alien friends for our alien that's driving. Making the flames for the rockets on the bottom of the UFO was super easy. All you do is draw a handful of spiky little circle things on the red paper and cut them out. Then you repeat that process with the orange paper, just a little bit larger. Then you glue the red piece to the orange piece, and then you'll glue that entire little fireball to the bottom of your UFO as soon as the paint is dry. I decided to go ahead and draw some circles with a permanent marker to indicate where the rockets actually are on my UFO. You don't have to use standard rockets to power your UFO though. You could use some sort of cool alien technology that we've never heard of. Use your imagination and all of the craft materials at your disposal to really have fun and think out of the box. I decided that my UFO needed some lasers, so I rolled up a couple of thin strips of paper and stuck them inside 2 of my beads from my kit, and then secured those strips of paper inside the beads with a dab of hot glue. So I have what looks like little mini lasers. While you have your strong glue out, if you made a cockpit floor for your UFO like I did, go ahead and glue that on now. When I was getting ready to glue my 2 pieces of the UFO together, I realized that the UFO looked really flat and kind of sad. So I went ahead and grabbed some cotton balls and glue and decided to glue cotton balls onto the bottom of my UFO. So when I glued the 2 pieces together, the UFO looked a little bit more plump, like a UFO you see in movies. Glue your 2 plates together using the same strong glue that you were using earlier. At this point, all you have left to do is to decorate your UFO. You can glue on your pilot alien, your windows, your lasers, and you can even draw directly on your UFO if there's any other details that you want to add. It looks like my UFO and its alien crew are ready for takeoff. Thanks so much for crafting with me today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!